Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add tables on Google Docs. Now this tutorial should be pretty easy to follow and is really straightforward, so everyone should be able to do this if you follow carefully. Now don't worry if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Docs, because I'll be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. So let's get started. Please ensure that your Google Chrome is completely up to date so that we will not encounter any errors while doing the procedure. So as you can see, I'm currently in a Google Docs file, a sample file in Google Docs on my Google Chrome, and I would like to add a table for this document. So how do we do that? As you can see right here on our ribbon, we got different options to choose from. We got File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Extensions, and Help. Now, within this, we would like to choose Insert. And as you can see, there's a lot of options to choose from, but since we are going to add a table, then we will select the Table tab. And right here we got Table Templates, you got Product Roadmap, Review Tracker, Project Assets, and many more. But for most case scenario, we are going to use this Illustrator right here. We got the columns and the rows, and we will just drag our mouse, our cursor, on how we would like our table to look. Let's say, for example, I want my table to look like this, a 3x4 table. I will just drag my mouse like this and click once. Now, as you can see, we have already added our table. Now, in our table, we can add different formats on our text. Let's say I want the text to be centered. We can do that right here. I want the top portion to be bold, as well as this right here. Now, as you can see, it is now on bold. While these ones are not. And that's as simple as it gets. Now, if you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.